Congratulations, President Merlo. The podium is yours.
I have one central thought today, and it is this. E quindi uscimmo a rivedere le stelle. And then we emerged to see the stars again. To best know where you are and to most successfully map where you are going, you first need to remember where you have been. There is a sense that somewhere along the line, American higher education has lost its way. This is another moment of reinvention, and without pause, Drexel will reimagine itself. Deep in Drexel's DNA is this belief in the future and willingness to change with it. I feel not just honored and privileged to lead this university, I feel a sense of homecoming here. Drexel speaks to my heart. It is my solemn commitment to walk across the finish line of academic transformation with you all and continue pressing ahead. During my time here, student success will always be our North Star.
The investiture of a new university president is rooted in centuries of tradition, yet its purpose is to point an institution towards the future.
This moment marks not only the beginning of a new administration, but the beginning of a renewed commitment to students, collaboration, and shared progress.
For many of us, Drexel is not just where we studied, it is where we are becoming who we will be.
Today, we celebrate Dr. Antonio Merlo and the bright future ahead.
Drexel has chosen its leader wisely.
It is through education that from the darkness we emerge to see the stars.